Hello. Oh my god. Maybe I will keep it. Look at it. Look at it. Look how stinking cute. I'm gonna freaking die. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Doo da boop ba boop beep ba. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some things I got while thrifting because I went to that Goodwill outlet, I went to that Goodwill outlet again, and it's going to be very fun and exciting. So please remember to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. I'll bring the thrift finds I got over here. I think we're going to start off with this jewelry box. Look how cute. I was so excited to see this Lisa Frank jewelry box. I was like, ah, that made me so happy. It's unicorns. It definitely needs to be cleaned. All the stuff from it needs to be cleaned. Look, I like this drawer. Ooh, this drawer is hard to open because somebody put the Lisa Frank stickers in it. And here's the top. See, I need to clean out the whatever little girl drew something like a potato in there or something. I don't know, but yeah, very cute. I love Lisa Frank. I definitely enjoyed her growing up. She's so cute. All her artwork is so beautiful. Look at that unicorn. Just look at it. I mean, come on. It's so stinking cute. So yeah. There's art all over the box. The second thing I got was some stuffed animals. When thrifting stuffed animals, you want to keep them in a plastic bag. This was a hack my parents taught me because any bugs that are sitting in there or anything that could be in there, I'm not saying all thrifted things have this. I haven't experienced any of that, but just to be safe, put them in a plastic bag and let them sit in your garage or whatever for a month or so, and maybe all the buggies. I don't see any buggies, but if there are bugaboos, little friends, just tell them, like, get out of here. I don't want you in my vintage stuffed animal. So I got two 80s stuffed animals for you. You ready? This Care Bear! I'm not one for collecting Care Bears. Once again, I don't know if I will sell it or not. The year on it is 1983. This guy's been around for a long time. Hello. Oh my god. Maybe I will keep it. Look at it. Look at it. Look how stinking cute. I'm gonna freaking die. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Boop ba boop beep ba boop ba ba ba. I used to watch the Care Bear show. I can't quite remember it though. Just a soft pink. Oh my gosh, she has hearts on her feet. I told you, this is my first Care Bear plushie, vintage one. So yeah. If you guys know what bear this is, I forgot the names of them, but if you know who this is, please let me know in the comments below. Then I also got a vintage My Little Pony plush. Oof. She looks emo. Na 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 na. She's seen some stuff too. Her tag's still on her. She is, does it say? It does not say what year she is on this tag. But I assume she's from the 80s, as this is the 80s My Little Pony. So yeah. Super duper cute. Then I got some little things. I got a G3.5 Tularula. I don't technically collect G3.5s very much, but I hadn't seen a Tularula before, so that's pretty cool. They're quite funny, huh? Nobody likes the .5s. Aren't they doing like G4.5 right now? I think they are, and everybody's like, no. An interesting era for My Little Pony, to say the least. But yeah. I like the art on her body. Then I just found another one of these Pinkie Pie McDonald's toys. She's in rough shape. You know, G3 Pinkie Pie or McDonald's toys. And I got this little unicorn ring! Oh my gosh, this just made me so happy. I'm just like, why didn't anyone else buy this? This is beautiful. This is the most beautiful unicorn ring ever. Like ever. Like yeah. So yeah. This is what happens when you go to the Goodwill outlet. There's a perler bead at the bottom of the bag. I don't know why, guys. Okay. And for the last two final things, I got this Disney princess suitcase that I have to clean. But it's super cute. Somebody left a little Barbie brush in the back. It definitely needs some attention. It was from the Disney store. What year? Doesn't say. But it's pretty busted up on the inside. So I've got a lot of cleaning to do with this, but I liked it. Maybe I can take it to school. Maybe I can, I don't know. I can use it for travel. I'll figure it out. It was just super cute and super sweet, and it's Cinderella, and it's old-fashioned. It's the older Disney princesses, you know, from the 2000s. Super good. And now for the exciting thing, the final thing I got that's super cool. I found this record in a picture frame. And everybody would usually think this Rolling Stones record is pop art, but I found it, and it's probably worth a lot more than I paid for it. But it's super cool, and has the Rolling Stones on it. Can't show you the back of this album because, you know, rock and roll. So yeah. Any whoozy. Thanks for watching, friends. Please remember to subscribe. I will see you all later. Have a good day. Stay safe. And take care of yourselves. Bye. My Instagram and Twitter are down below. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, bye. I don't even know what I'm doing.